All right, good morning, YouTube. How are y'all doing? Welcome to Mr. Rice Trading Channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Tradersway demo account to the MetaTrader 4 app. So let's jump right in. Before I do that, I'm going to share the screen of my iPhone so that you all can follow along with me. So let me just make the iPhone the host, which is done. And now I need to share my screen. So give me one moment. Takes about 3 seconds. You all will be able to see what's on my iPhone screen. All right. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your app store, right? So click the App Store app. Once you get there, you want to type in MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to type it in. M-E-T-A, right? It comes up, MetaTrader 4, right? So click that. Once the results come up, you want to hit this one here. It has the blue icon. It says MetaTrader 4. You can't miss it. Click download. As it's downloading, you can go ahead and click the home button so that you can actually see it downloading. And once it's fully downloaded, we'll go ahead and get started. It appears that it's fully downloaded. You want to go ahead and click the MetaTrader 4 app. All right, I'll just click allow. Now, when you open the app, it's going to look like this. It's just going to show you a bunch of currency pairs and all of their prices, right? We want to log in, so we're not going to focus on any of what's going on here just yet. So in order to log in, you want to click settings in the bottom right corner. It has a gear there, and it says settings, so click that. Once you click that, you're going to get to this page. You want to click new account, right? It has the green icon next to it with a plus sign, and it says new account. So click that. All right. So if you're watching this video and you did not create a demo account yet, perfect, right? If you want to, you can press the first option, open a demo account. You just fill out the registration form, and it will automatically log you into your demo account through MetaTrader 4, right? But if you're someone who watched my previous video on how to create an account through Tradersway, then you could use that same login information that they gave you from the demo account to log in here. You would select login to an existing account. So I'm going to click that button. And once you get here, you have to type in the server. As you can see, the server is already here, right? It's metaquotes-demo. So, right, just type in meta quotes, and then it'll come up, metaquotes-demo. Click that. Once you click that, you want to enter your login information, right? I'm going to use the same login information from the last demo account that I created from the last tutorial. And then my password, you want to fill in your password. And then click sign in. My apologies for the noise in the background. The building that I live in, they're running some testing on the alarm. So if you hear some noise in the background, just try to ignore it as best as you can. So at this point, I'm logged in here. We're all logged in. If you see the bottom where it says quotes, these are the actual quotes of the different currency pairs. If you click chart at the bottom, that actually shows you the chart of the currency pair that we were looking at, which in this case is Euro USD. If you click the next button, trade, this is actually where you enter trades. So you would hit the plus sign, and at the top where it says Euro USD, you can tap that to select the currency pair you want to trade with, right? I'm going to leave it. To enter your lot size, you would tap that number that's in the middle. It says 0.01, and then you would type in your lot size, right, whatever that may be. If you're not familiar with what a lot size is, you should go back and watch the video on pips and lot sizes. I thoroughly explain that, and I also give you some recommendations on what lot sizes you should be using for the size of your account. So definitely go watch that video and check that out. Right, once you enter your lot size, you'll be able to actually hit buy or sell for that currency. So if you expect the currency to go up, right, you would hit buy. If you expect the currency to go down, you would hit sell. Right, at this point, I haven't gotten into any technical analysis, but those videos will be coming maybe today, maybe tomorrow, throughout the week, where I'll actually be showing you how to analyze charts so that you actually are confident in knowing if it's going to be a buy or a sell for that specific currency pair. But for right now, we're just going to focus on explaining the different aspects of the app. If you see here where it says stop loss and take profit, right, we're going to get into those in separate videos, so don't worry about that just yet. And deviation, we don't really touch that at all. You can leave that alone. So from here, we're going to hit back. And the next button here is going to be history. If you click history, this will show you the history of your trades. So as you can see, there is no history because I haven't placed any trades. I just created this demo account. And also the market's closed, right? The market opens back up every Sunday at 5, but you don't start to really see market activity until later on in the evening, around like 9, 10, 11 p.m., right? So I'll be trading tonight, but you don't see anything yet because I haven't traded. So, and then the next one is going to be settings. So you would hit settings at the bottom, and you can explore this all on your own. It's got some news. It's got an economic calendar, right? You can add a different demo account. You can even add a live account, things like that. So once you're all logged in, I recommend you go ahead and just look through the app, play around with the app, familiarize yourself with the app. And if you have any questions, go ahead and go in my comment section, ask me any questions. I'll be more than willing to go ahead and answer those questions. And if you would like a video on something specific, just write that in the comment section, and I'll be more than willing to go ahead and make a video dedicated to whatever topic it is that you want me to talk about. Right? If you like this video and you found value in this video, go ahead and hit like and also subscribe. I hope you all have a great day. There's going to be more videos dropping throughout the day, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit the bell icon for notifications, and let's get this money. The market opens at 5 p.m. today. I want everyone to be all set on their computers or on their smart devices so that when we start trading in the demo, you all can get started with me and you'll be able to see that it's not hard to trade in these markets. So in the meantime, you all have a great day, and I'm looking forward to trading with you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.